Hey guys, oh my gosh, she did it. She did it. Nicole State made an apology video. This video is gonna be just my thoughts, just kind of like blast thrown at you. If you don't know about this Nicole State drama, I will link my videos down below. This is probably gonna be the last video that I make about her because I just don't want to talk about her anymore. I did say that I would tell you guys my thoughts if she ever made an apology video, and I'm keeping my word. I'm doing that, so that's why I'm making this video. But probably after this, there's not going to be any more talk about her. So she's been gone from social media since July, I think. And yeah, she finally just decided to come back with an apology video. It's titled, "I'm sorry." The first rule of a YouTube apology video is not to monetize it. For real. Like, don't monetize that shit, because, you know, you're talking about your ups. Why should you make money when you're talking about your ups, when you're apologizing to people that you fucked over, or apologizing to people that you fucked over? You shouldn't make money off that. Like, that's fucking wrong. So when I saw it was monetized, I was just like, okay, yeah, of course. Of fucking course she monetized it. Of course she did. Of course, because she's a changed person, guys. She's not all about money and greed anymore. She's a changed person, and that should be evident by her monetized apology video. Basically, it was like 6 minutes of her apologizing for... Wait, what did she apologize for? Oh, that's right. Nothing. She didn't say anything that she's done. She just kept saying, "I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry." But what the fuck did you do? You didn't tell people that. And I noticed, actually, as I was like watching her video, I was like reading the comments too. I noticed that she was deleting comments, which is, she claimed in the comments that she has like blocked words, which, yes, that's a thing. You can have blocked words on YouTube, but she said YouTube deleted the comments, which is a fucking lie. Guys, I've been on YouTube since the dawn of YouTube. You can have a list of blocked words, yes, but YouTube doesn't delete those comments. YouTube puts them in a section in your comments, like in your YouTube studio. It says held for review, and you review those comments. You choose whether or not they're public on your channel. YouTube does not do anything. So that was a flat out lie. Like, she's changed, guys, she's changed, but she's fucking lying right in the comments in her video. I know I haven't gone into much detail about the things that she's done because, I mean, that's not, I don't know. I feel like that's not my place. I don't want to go into detail. She's burned a lot of bridges with other resellers, and I don't want to go into that. I don't think she should publicly apologize for that. I mean, well, yeah, she should. She should be like, okay, I fucked over a lot of people. But then she should reach out to those people privately and have that conversation if the other people want to even hear that. So I don't think she needed to go into detail with that stuff, but she absolutely should have talked about the merch situation. She should have talked about her eBay fraud and her other public wrongdoings, but she didn't. She didn't. She just said, "I'm sorry, I'm a changed person." It's like, no, you can't just come on here and say, "Oh, I'm sorry, I've changed." It's like, no, actions speak louder than words. And it's going to take probably like 40 years for her to prove to us that she's a changed person because of all the shit that she's done. I was reading the comment section, and I have some comments that I want to read to you guys. But there were comments from like her supporters. Some people were like quoting the Bible, like, "Oh yes, Jesus loves you. You're a sinner, but Jesus loves you." My favorite one was like, "Live, laugh, love, learn." Like, no. They were the ones that were like, "Oh my God, I missed you so much. I'm so glad you're back." Others were like, "Oh, cancel culture is so bad. Like, shame on the people that made YouTube videos." My name was in some of the comments. But yeah, people were like, "Oh, shame on those people for making YouTube videos about you." It's like, what? If you're still a Nicole State supporter, you clearly, you got some loose screws in your head. I just don't know how anyone in their right mind can still support her and think what I'm doing is wrong. Like, they had the people that were obviously living under a rock, and they're like, "Oh, I don't even know what happened, but I still support you anyway. Like, I don't care what happened. You can do no wrong in my eyes. I'll still support you no matter what." It's like, what? Majority of people were like, "What the fuck? What is this? This is a lame apology video." And I'm going to read you some of my favorite comments from these people. I'm not going to name names. I'm just going to read the comments. Okay, this person says, "Apologizing in general is not admitting exactly what you did wrong and owning it. Your roots, unfortunately, are what led you here, and your greed has never strayed from that root. When you generalize, you coddle, and in my opinion, it's not a step, it's a ploy. The community is thriving without your type of behavior and will continue." I like that comment. This person said, "Actions mean more than words. We'll see if your actions equal your words." Absolutely. Like, you can say, "I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry," all day long. But until you fucking prove it, your words mean nothing. This person said, "The trust is gone. After 1, 2, and 3 times, you have to be out. Too many new people in the community get used and don't know enough about you. I hope they all look up the stories. We need transparency, not fake passive apologies. I, for one, wish you would just stay a private reseller. The uproar was crazy and sad. It was truly sad to see all the tears shed because of you. You can do fine without without trying to be an influencer. Stay home, save tears. Absolutely. I mean, I'll tell you my thoughts at the end of this video. But yes, I totally agree with that person. This person said, you will never change. And you're a terrible actress, by the way. This person said, you didn't even say what you're sorry for. Give me a break. This person said, if you're truly sorry, then it's best you stick to running your posh closet and stop dragging people into your bad choices. Just like an alcoholic chooses not to drink because they hurt people, they stop drinking. Put down the camera, Nicole. Absolutely. These are just a few of the comments that I like, and I totally agree. I think she needs to just stick to reselling, stick to doing her Poshmark shit, and stop trying to be an influencer because she's a really bad fucking influence. Like that ship has sailed. It's gone. You're done. Just get off YouTube. Seriously. Stop trying to be an influencer. Her apology video was pathetic. It honestly was. And I like to think that people can change. Like I like to think, you know, someone can fuck up and they can change, but Nicole has fucked up too many times to be able to change. As far as her deleting her YouTube channel, I don't think she deleted her videos. I think she just privated them. And she probably did that, again, just like Jordan Cheyenne. She probably did that so people couldn't go back and, you know, dig things up about her and find other fucked up things that she's done. She'll never have my trust, ever. Maybe in like 40 years when she proves that she's a changed person, but you can't just fuck up like literally for years and years and years and years and then get on YouTube, make an apology video, and people are supposed to be like, oh, okay, cool, yeah, that's fine, okay, yeah, okay, well, I'll continue to support you and watch your YouTube channel, and oh, I'll buy that planner too. Convenient that her apology video came out, what, a week before Q4? Like, that's convenient. She just needs to be gone from the reselling community. Stop trying to influence people. I saw that she's no longer a speaker at PoshFest, which I think is good. That's a good decision. But yeah, she just needs to stick to reselling. You know, like she's good at reselling. Like she can sell shit. She's not good at being an influencer. She needs to stop trying to influence people. All right, I'm done. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts on her apology video. She really just, there's just so many things wrong. So many things wrong. She didn't own up to what she did. And yes, I understand that there are other people in that company, the merch company or whatever. But it's been months now. Like, you owe your supporters and customers an explanation. Like, you need to give them an explanation on what the fuck happened. But she won't. She's just gonna say, I'm sorry, you know, try to make people feel bad, and then move on like nothing happened. Just like she's done after every other scandal that she's had. I'm done. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think, and that's it. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.